Hello, welcome once again. Let us look at distribution of medicines and supplies. Today we shall look at distribution of medicines and supplies, and I am at Young Grace Pharmacy Department. Welcome to Graham Academy for more knowledge and then more impact. And today we are on a specific course unit called pharmacy practice. Okay, so under pharmacy practice we have what you call a medicine management cycle, and it has different parts, and we already discussed it in previous lectures. You can follow it up in specific lectures so that you get an idea of what it is. So you find that distribution is part of the specific parts that we get in the cycle. So our outline today, we want to look at introduction to medicine distribution system in the hospital, and then health center setting definition, and then understanding the common distribution system designs, methods, and then options in hospital setting. So distribution is the process of moving supplies from the manufacturer or storage facility to the end user. It begins from the time goods are dispatched from the manufacturer and ends when consumption is reported to the procurement unit. And then you see that explanation of distribution. Let's do something here. So we see that the primary distribution management role is to maintain a steady supply of pharmaceuticals and supplies to the facility where they are needed, while ensuring that resources are being used in the most effective way. Distribution costs, which include cost of storage, transportation, are a significant component of expenses of running a public health supply system. Transportation costs alone can represent a significant representation of the value of medicine distributed to the remote locations. Designing a system of storage and distribution of pharmaceuticals, medical supplies, and equipment is complex and important. Okay? It is very important to do so. So we are going to discuss the distribution system or designs. We have what you call the pull system. We have the push system. These are methods of distribution or system designs. In case you ask for distribution methods or system designs, they are the same. We have the pull system, we have the push, we have the delivery and collection system of transport. We have ward stock system, that is bulk ward supply system. We have the unit dose system. We have individual drug order, that is individual inpatient supply system, and then outpatient supply system, and then emergency supply. So let's start with the pull system, pharmaceutical distribution system, in which each referral facility determines the medicine's type and then the quantities to be requisitioned from the procurement unit or a warehouse. This type of system is sometimes called an independent demand or a requisition system. So with the pull, it is your facility to pull what they want from us. Like you are pulling what you order is what is given to you. So your order is pulling from the pharmacy to your different facilities. We have what you call the push, pharmaceutical distribution unit, in which the procurement unit or the warehouse determines what medicines and types and quantities are to be issued to the peripheral facilities. So here, the choice is made by the store. They know, or they are the ones to determine how much of this are we sending to the facility, or how much are we sending to that unit or department. A delivery plan is made at the beginning of the planning period, usually a year, and supplies are determined according to the plan. This type of system is also known as the allocation or rotation system, rotation kit system. Okay, And then there is something here we have to note. When using a pull system, managers of our operational units are expected to work out their own demand estimates and buffer stocks, and then submit requisitions to central store indicating their requirements. In a pull system, operational units are expected to supply certain stock and consumption information to the supply source so that issuing officers can plan allocation. And then we have delivery and collection system of transport. Basically, supplies are moved between the warehouse and then the receiving facility in two ways: collection or delivery. With collection system, the receiving facility takes on the responsibility of collecting supplies from the warehouse. With the delivery is the opposite. The warehouse is responsible of delivering supplies by either in-house transport or a private sector contract or a combination of both. Okay, that is for the delivery. And that is the end of today's class. In the second class, we shall look at other